Hi, Year 6. Welcome to your first music lesson with me online. Remember, I'm going to be treating this like it's lesson 1 so that everyone in Year 6 can access this. So you might be re-practicing some things that we've done in class, but I'll also be putting in some new stuff that definitely no one's done. The first activity is something that I've definitely not done with you guys before. It's on your computers and it's an application called Super Looper. You'll find the link in the little document that this video was in, but before you jump on, I want you to have a watch of me having a go first, so you know what's going on and you know how to use it.
Okay, so when you get up Super Looper, this is what you should see. If not, go back, you're on the wrong site. And you'll see all your little options are up here. It's a pretty simple website. First thing you need to do is press the button that says click, and you can hear that just gives you a little beat to be your tempo to keep you in time with yourself, which is the trickiest bit about this. Okay, what Super Looper does is it takes whatever you play and loops it, it repeats it. Okay, it turns it into an ostinato, which we do a lot in class. This website does half the work for you. You've got all your instruments up here, so if I want to hear what drums sound like, I'll click on drums, I'll click on it again, so I'm just testing it, not recording, and I'll use the top row of keys, Q, W, E, and so on, and I'll have a listen to all my different sounds. Probably a good idea to go along and test out them all before you do anything. When I'm ready to record, I'll click on it, and I'll see the red flashing dot just there, which means it is recording, and I'll try and record a simple drum beat. Yep, that'll do. Next, I'll add in another drum, maybe a snare drum. Cool, sounds good. Oh, there's a little bit I don't like in that, so I'm going to click on it again and press X, so that means I can try again. That'll do. Next, I'll add a different sound. And see, that'll all just keep repeating for me. I can keep building it up. So I'll add bass in next, because I love the bass. Oops, so I can start that again. And through the magic power of editing, I have finished my piece. You couldn't really hear me talking over it all, so I had to kind of skip that bit, but I basically just went in, I experimented with all the sounds, I changed my mind a bunch of times and changed things and built it up until I was happy with it, and it ended up sounding like this. Goodbye, all my work. So you can see there's lots of different things you can do with this. There's endless possibilities of all the different songs you can make. If you're really happy with the song, you can press the record button here and it will actually record it for you as well. The key is to take your time. When I first got in here, I started randomly mashing buttons and I didn't really get much sounding good. You really do have to think about what's going to be the next good thing to add to this song and build it up slowly.
Okay, so now that you've seen me have a little go at Super Looper, you guys are ready to jump in and have your own go, make your own song with it. I know I said it before, but make sure you really do think about your decisions. Don't just randomly add stuff in. Think about what's going to sound good. Okay? So the next thing I have for you, Year 6, is a song. And because you are Year 6, we are going to get straight in and learn how to write some of the music for this song as well. The first thing we need to do is learn it though, and the song is called 2468. So, I'm going to teach you the song. It sounds like this. You can just listen to this one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Cool. This is the bit where I need you to actually use your voice. So I'm gonna chant a bit. You chant it back to me. Okay. So I'll go first. When I do this, it means it's your turn. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice. So I'm going to do the whole thing one more time, and then I want you to do the whole thing to the screen, please. Ready? I'm first. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Great. Your turn to do it. I have found a spot in your house, and I'm hiding, and I'm listening, so make sure you actually do it. Ready? Here we go. I assume you did a fantastic job just then. Well done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do with this song is just sing it, but we're going to keep the beat somewhere on our bodies, okay? I'm going to put it on my knees. I don't mind where you put the beat. You can click it, you can tap it, as long as you're keeping the beat somewhere. If you don't remember what a beat is, or you don't know what a beat is a steady pulse under the music that doesn't change. So even if the word changes, the words change and things like that, the beat always stays the same. It never changes. Okay? Ready? Sing the song with me and keep the beat somewhere in your body. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nicely done. We're going to do it one more time, and this time I want you to, at the end, think of a number. How many beats in total are in the song? So try and tap, sing, and count at the same time if you can. We're going to count how many beats are in the song. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice. Hopefully you're thinking of a number right now. If you're not, I'm going to give you a second to think of it before I tell you the answer, which is 16. There were 16 beats in that song from start to finish. If you've had me before, you know that I draw beats in by using circles. So when I'm drawing my beats on the board, I use them using circles. So I've drawn the 16 beats of the song here. I'm going to point along with my finger to show you how these 16 beats fit into the song. Can you sing it again with me? Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice. So they are the 16 beats of the song. Next thing I need you to do is to press pause on this video and grab your writing implement, whether it's a whiteboard or a pen and paper, whatever it is, and I need you to draw the 16 beat circles on your piece of paper as well, just exactly the same as I've done it here. So, I'm going to give you a second to pause the video, and... Alright, I hope you pressed pause and got it, or maybe it was already next to you, but we're ready to do something else with these beats now. So remember, I hope you need to have these 16 beats on your piece of paper, and we're actually going to learn what the different notes are for this song. Can we just sing the first line, and I want you to clap the words. So we're just going to sing the first 4 beats of the song, and I want you to clap the way the words go, like this. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ready, do it. Ready, go. Nice. So, in each of these circles, how many times did you clap? I'm not asking how many times in the whole row. I'm asking in one circle. How many claps were there? Do it one more time and see if you can have a listen. Ready, go. How many claps were there? If you are thinking 1, You are absolutely correct. There was one sound in each of these circles. 2 is 2, one sound. 4 is 4, one sound. 6 is 6, one sound. And 8 is 8, one sound. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8. There is, oh, my camera's going a bit crazy. There is a word and a symbol for if there's one sound in a beat. And that symbol is a tar. Lots of you will already know this, but this is a good chance to practice it. A tar is what it's called as one sound in a beat. So all of these we know are one sound in a beat. Tar, 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 tar. The next line, clap it and sing it. It's going to sound like this. Meet me at the garden gate. Make sure you do it. At least clap it. Ready, go. Meet me at the garden gate. How many times did you clap for the first one? Meet me. Can you say meet me and clap it? Ready, go. Meet me. Hopefully you can count to 2 because that is 2 claps. There is a word for when there are 2 claps, and it is TT. So you've got tar and you've got TT. Okay, TT is when there are 2 sounds. Meet me at the garden gate. How many for each of these? Meet me at the garden gate. Can you have a guess in your book or your writing implement and fill out the rest of the line? Meet me at the garden gate. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. Okay, so meet me we know is a TT. Meet me, TT. At the is 2 sounds. At the garden. 2 sounds. Garden. Meet me at the garden gate is only 1 sound. The word gate is 1 clap. So, put together it is tar, 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 T, 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 tar. Cool. Can you say that? The first 2 lines and clap it with me. Ready, go. Tar, 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 T, 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 tar. Awesome. Your job is to, whatever you're writing with, write down the next 2 lines. Finish the next 2 lines. I'm going to sing it for you one more time so you know which circle is which. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, do not wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. So your job is to finish that for 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that's basically it for this video, guys. Remember, I've given you 2 jobs. First job is to jump on Super Looper and create a song. Second job is to finish the tars and TTs for the song 2, 4, 6, 8. Please take your time on both of them, and I will see you again in week 1. See you later.